Focus. Focus. There we go. All right. This is for all of y'all and the students online for, what is it? This quiz that I'm going to be having Thursday. Yay!
Yay!
Yeah.
Now, those of you in the back, you don't really have to worry about any of this, but those of you here in the front that I moved to the front, except for you, just know, yeah, go back there. Just know, Thursday is imminent, okay? So, what I passed out to y'all and what I'm going to put online are these quizzes. Because I said to myself last night, I was like, Self, you know what? You only have like 45 minutes with these kids. So, let's make this simple, okay? Let's make this easier. That's why I put it to 6 questions instead of 12, okay?
Heck yeah.
It's the same exact thing. Only thing is, you're not going to use your notes.
Oh.
Dang it.
I know. So, with that being said, what are some numbers?
The 2.
4.
What?
2.
What?
All 4.
Wait, you just said some numbers.
Hush your lips. Okay, so let's look at this, right? Just to go over some stuff. We have number 1 right here. 3x plus 8
What?
plus 6
Remember,
is
each
equal
test is
to
different.
14.
Oh.
None of y'all have the same exact number, okay? None of y'all have the same question. I'm just going over this stuff. Let me see if this looks good.
Same thing is gonna be on the test, right?
Yeah, same exact type of concept, okay? Same exact concept. I just, for my variables, I switch them out with x's, okay? I want all of my, I like all of my variables to be x's. You can have all of your variables y's, whatever, I don't care, all right? Or just follow the variable on the sheet of paper, I don't care. So, what's the first thing we do right here?
Add like terms.
Add like terms, also known as, starts with a C.
Combine like terms.
There you go, good job, CLT, all right? CLT. Guess what, Mr. Litchfield?
What?
You should be writing notes.
I'm watching this.
No, no, write notes. Get out a notebook and write notes. For those of you who did not write notes for this last time, I suggest you write them over again. Or if you wrote bad notes last time, because the kids online are embarrassing y'all. And y'all can sit here and say all you want, oh, they're using notes. Y'all used notes during this past quiz.
Y'all got straight A students online, so.
Do you guys want notes? It's on $5.
Nemets,
I'm just
quiet.
You're leaving us. You can't say anything.
Yeah. All right. So this is all the more reason. Actually, this is all the more reason why y'all should be doing better than the kids online, because all they have is the internet to teach them.
Exactly.
That's all they have. They have to go searching. Meanwhile, y'all have the source.
You could just highlight it.
I mean,
Like
photo
search
map?
internet for answer,
you don't know what photo map is? It's an app you can get on your phone, and you literally put it up to the question, and it'll give you the answer.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Show me after this.
So
I don't have it on my phone.
Now he'll know.
Who here has it on their phone?
Exactly.
Not me.
Look, John would be the one.
Oh, yeah.
Show me after.
I don't have
So,
I deleted it. 'Cause I
So,
think I got smart.
we combine like terms, right? Clearly, this term right here, positive 8 and the positive 6, right? So, 8 plus 6 is what?
14.
14.
Okay.
Oh. Somebody's calling over there. Okay. So, we got 14. How are we going to get the 3x by itself? Morgan? Honda? How are we going to get the 3x by itself?
You divided the 14.
Mason, help your brother out.
You subtract the 14.
There you go. Subtract the 14. Okay? Subtract it. Morgan, what you do on one side, you must
Do to the other. Oh, sorry.
You're so smart. Yes, you did.
help him out. It's okay. What you do on one side, you must
Do it on the other.
do it on the other. Okay? So if we're subtracting this 14 right here, do you understand why we're doing this, right? Do you understand why?
No.
Okay, let me explain to you why. All right? So, if you're looking at this, we have 3x plus 14 is equal to 14, all right? We have to get this 3x by itself, okay? And because we have to get this 3x right here by itself, we need to get rid of any and everything else that's on this side of the equal sign, okay? The equal sign pretty much separates sides, okay? So we have to get this 3x by itself, so we have to get rid of everything over here on this side. So what is over here with the 3x?
14.
Exactly. And what kind of 14 is that?
Positive.
It's a positive 14. So in order for us to get rid of this positive 14, what's the opposite of that positive 14?
Subtract.
Exactly. What's the opposite of a positive 14? It's a
Negative 14.
exactly. It's a negative 14. Okay? And then that's why I asked you what you do on one side, you must
Do on the other.
do on the other. So if you put a negative 14 right here, you put a negative 14 right here. Okay? And that's how this cancels out and the 3x comes down with the equal sign still separating the sides, right? What's 14 minus 14?
0.
0, okay? Now, here's it. Now we're gonna go to the second part, all right? What do you think is happening between the 3 and the x right here? What's happening? Okay, now, I mean that question to say, is there an addition sign?
No.
Do you see a subtraction sign?
No.
Do you see a division sign?
No.
So whenever you see a number next to a variable, what does that mean?
Divide.
No.
Multiply.
It's being multiplied. Yes, this is multiplication right here. Good job. You're doing a great job. Stay with me. Stay with me. You're doing a great job, all right? So what's the opposite of multiplication? What do you think the opposite of multiplication is? The opposite of addition is subtraction. So what is the opposite of multiplication?
Division.
Division. Good job. So we have to divide. So what do you think we have to divide to get the x? This x right here. What do we have to divide to get the x by itself? What is right there with the x?
3.
3. We have to divide the 3 to get the x by itself. And what you do on one side,
Do on the other.
you do on the other, right? So that cancels out, right?
Yeah.
So therefore we bring the x down is equal to 0 divided by anything is what, Morgan? 0 divided by anything is what?
0.
There you go. Okay? This pen. And you just solved this problem, all right? Cool?
You gotta be proud of them.
I am proud of him. I should have been your teacher in middle school. Real talk.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so, let me see, John, get up here.
Oh, yeah.
I'll give you my paper.
Nah, you gonna do some work.
Nah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do for me, and make sure you write big, all right? Come here,
Okay.
come here.
Okay.
Do -4